Hello everyone, another video from Koh Samui. I'm at the beach and I'm gonna have a short video to show you guys Chaweng Beach. Let's go for a walk and enjoy this beach. I hope the rain stops next few days because I'm missing the beach. I haven't been to the beach for past 2 weeks that I moved to Koh Samui. So I hope this rain stops. But it's still beautiful, no complaint. Yesterday I was talking to my bank. I had to do something over the phone, and she asked me, the agent that was answering my call, she said, "Where are you?" I said, "Well, I'm in Thailand, small island called Koh Samui." She didn't know where it was. She said she went a long time ago to Pattaya. So I said, "Well, it's just not comparable. So here is totally different." And she said, "Well, I'm really jealous." I said, "Why?" She said, "Well, I'm just working from home and it is snowing here." I said, "Yeah, I totally understand. But here, it's just different, regardless. If it's windy, if it's raining, the weather is beautiful and you can enjoy it. But obviously, it's just raining a lot this month, so, but who cares? Still, I'm on the shore with the tank top and I can go out and enjoy it, rather than seeing snow and freezing rain and all the nightmare that goes with the winter in Canada. So let's enjoy the beach. The famous art bar, which is a beach club, at night gets really busy, and usually they have a fire show too. The beach massage here, so usually daytime they are very busy, but the weather is not really cooperative right now. Oh, seems to me there is another bar is coming in here. It was a renovation for a long time. Oh, this is a new, and again, this is a new restaurant and hotel, I believe. Yeah. Oh, it is nice. Look at this. It's going to be nice. Nice swimming pool, and there's room upstairs, and I believe there's going to be a bar and stuff like that here. So it looks nice. So the business is booming. So tourists is coming back, and all this renovation is going on. Bringing this bed out, I don't know, for tonight or whatever. There's another hotel is coming up here too, and this was under long renovation or construction too for past few months. I truly believe Koh Samui is a heaven on earth. This is my opinion. I love this island. Not a lot of people at the beach, obviously. So, I'll be honest with you, it's not that busy. And just before New Year, probably it's gonna get busy next month or so. So, the reason that I know it is not busy, first of all, my hotel is not busy. Number two, I'm looking at the prices all the time because I'm usually booking like every week or every 2 weeks. Again, it just depends on the price. So when the price goes down, it means all the hotel is desperate to get the gas, and the price is reasonable. So when I'm looking at January 2024, price goes up so much. So I'm sure it's gonna get busy next month, and that's obvious because everybody taking vacation on New Year. But so far it's very quiet. What I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna stay here until 23rd of December. Already I extended my visa, and after that I'm gonna go to Koh Phangan. So for a new year I'm gonna stay Koh Phangan. and then probably from there I'm gonna go Koh Tao, and then back here, and then go to Bangkok. From Bangkok, I'm gonna go to Cambodia. So this is the magical island of Koh Samui. Oh, there is another piece of land here that is just empty. So if you are a multi-billionaire, if you are a big hotel chain, come and buy this and build it. Beautiful piece of land next to water. Look at it. Look at this piece of land. It's unbelievable at Chaweng Beach. And if anybody watching this video and going to buy this piece of land, please give me some commission. So because I'm the first one that I showed you this piece of land. Look at it. It's just by the water next to the beach. And it's gigantic. It can be a very, very big hotel. I don't have the money. If I had the money, I was buying it. There you go, guys. This is a Koh Samui, and all this table is set up for tonight dinner. So look at how romantic this setting is. Perfect for honeymoon, or to bring your date, or your wife or girlfriend or whatever. This is lovely. Okay, I'm gonna make it short and sweet. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be short, but I thought just to come out and show you guys the beautiful beach at Chaweng Beach in Koh Samui. So I hope you subscribe. I hope you leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So the next video, probably, because I promised to one of my subscriber, Reza, that I'm going to go to Jungle Club, or Jungle what is that, Viewpoint. It is a restaurant and a hotel. So probably weather is nice tomorrow, so I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna have the next video from there. So I hope you guys subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hello. So it is roughly 12 o'clock, but usually here business and everywhere gets busy like in the evening. So this is the mall that is connected to my hotel. I'm just walking to the back of the hotel, actually back of the mall, to meet the real estate agent. He's gonna pick me up at 12 o'clock. And this is the only mall in Koh Samui called Central Samui. So there's like few stores here, so usually in the evening gets busy, but as I said, during the day everybody stays in. I'm waiting for real estate agent to pick me up, but I thought, to show you guys this big Christmas tree at Samui Central. It is really big.